What?
You're not gonna turn it off?
Nah, because I don't trust it to turn back on. Yep, I need a new battery. It only lasts about a day. Oh, that's true, actually. That's how you drive. Is the handbrake on in my car? You know, we'll see if it rolls. If it rolls, too bad. How do you put the window down?
That's here.
Oh.
That's not comes all the way.
Smells like you. I believe that's neutral. It's really big. Is it? Is that first?
I think.
Okay, we'll find out. Handbrake. Blue tinted mirrors? That's weird. I can't tell if that's the brake or the accelerator. It's the accelerator. You want me to launch?
I'm just kind of slow.
Second or first? It's probably second. It's a BMW, right?
Yeah, you can go pretty slow in second.
I'm acting like I know what a BMW drives like. I know exactly how these gearing things are in these.
You can go really slow in second gear.
That's good.
Yep.
Whoa!
Yeah, the mirrors go down.
Now they're too low. It's a cool feature. Frick. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go!
You didn't do reverse yet.
Around that?
I don't know.
Oh, I thought you meant reverse
That's
gear.
what I meant.
Reverse gear?
No, yeah, reverse gear around the...
Okay, I'm gonna do it right now.
I mean, there's a lot of... But practicing driving in reverse is a good thing.
Yep. Build up speed and... Okay. I don't know what that was, but alright. That was pretty good. No, it was good. That sound is completely fine. Start really slow. You said. Go slow and then into it. Once the clutch is ready. Okay, now for it. Okay. Okay. Alright, here, I'll just do one hard turn with you. Okay. Alright. Okay. That was plenty. What the heck? That's so weird. It just goes. No hesitation. That's cool.